very difficult to deal with. We have to convert it into the discrete series or continuous series. So I'm putting up a question now. I'm putting up a question again, a score. This is score of who's score? UV's score. Okay. Now his score, I'm putting 10 matches. His score was, he scored 5 runs. He scored 5 runs in 15 innings. Okay. He scored 15 runs in 20 innings. Okay, 20 innings. He scored 15 runs. He scored 25 runs. He scored 25 runs in, say, 25 innings. 65. He is a batsman of a high caliber. He was a batsman. He scored 65 runs 71 times. And he scored around about 75 runs, okay, in 52 times. So this is X and this is F. Okay, the question is that how many matches, number of runs, scored by UV, and number of innings. Can you tell me up number of innings?
Yes.
Sir, 250 innings and 320 runs.
250 innings.
Yes,
250
sir.
innings. UV played 250 innings, and how many runs he scored?
320 runs.
320.
320 runs? My goodness! What happened to you? Is it possible he scored 320 runs only?
No, sir, 12,600.
Yeah, so here is the game. Yes, this is what you need to understand. His score is Fx, X into F. Okay, X into F, that means 55 into 5 into 15.
75.
Yeah, 75. Okay,
300.
300.
625.
25 into 25, 625.
840.
Huh?
840. 840.
340.
840, sir. 840.
840. 840. Yes, 840.
Sir, 540.
540.
Sir, 1705.
1705.
4615.
4615.
15. Sir, 3900.
3900. Okay, now what is the score total?
Sir, 12,600.
12,600. And what did I say? The formula for the mean is sigma fx upon n. Now n is, what is the n?
250.
250, sir.
250.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the answer?
Sir, 50.4.
Average score of UV scored in 250 matches is 50.4. 50.4. Okay, but you see how much difficult it was for you to calculate 12,600 runs. Can we not make it much easier? Can we not make it much easier? Yes, we can make it easier. Yes, we can. Now you have to learn this. It is little tricky in the beginning, but I will try to make it easier without any problem. Okay, and just let's see how we can do it. Okay, this is called as shortcut formula. This is known as shortcut formula. What you have to do is that you have to just you have to select an arbitrary number, any number from the X. You take it as an arbitrary number. Arbitrary means image is a common number. Okay, a common number. You can take it from middle or from any top to bottom anywhere. I prefer to take it from middle. It is not compulsory. Arbitrary. Arbitrary starts from A. So this is A. Arbitrary. I'm marking it as arbitrary. Okay. Now you see the magic of it. Okay. Or now, what I'm gonna do is that with the arbitrary number, I'm gonna derive. I will derive a new number. Derive a new number. Derive. Okay. Derive a new number. This is x minus arbitrary number. What I'm gonna do is that I will subtract the arbitrary number with all the numbers so that I can make the score much simpler. To make the score much simpler, let me do it out. Let me do it out. Okay, so this is, which is the derived number I'm getting from here? 5 minus 35. 15 minus 35. This is arbitrary number is 35. I'm reducing all the x with a common number. With a common number, we call it as arbitrary number. Okay. So that we get a smaller fraction to calculate. Can you help me in getting this number? 5 minus 35?
Minus 30.
Minus 30.
Minus 3, 0, 30. Okay. Very good. 15 minus 35?
Minus 20.
Minus 2.
Okay. And 25 minus 35?
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. 75 minus 35?
40.
Fantastic. Now you got a new number. Now you have got a new number. Okay. What you're gonna do is that you will come up with the FD now. FD. FD. Okay. So this is F and this is D. This is F and this is D. Can you multiply F and D? Someone please help me in multiplying F and D. Minus
450,
450. Yes.
400,
Minus.
400,
Yeah. Minus
50,
50 or
2,
250. Yeah.
250.
Yeah. Here.
So 0.
0. It's easy. 28 2080 2080, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. What's the total?
50.
50. Okay. Very good. Very good. And what is the n? Number of
Sir,
innings?
250.
Okay. Okay. And what is the arbitrary number here?
35.
35. So what you will see with the formula is we have to, because we reduce arbitrary number, just add that arbitrary number with the total, with the FD. What is FD? With the FD upon N.
1850.
FD is 3850 divided by 250. And what is the score? What is the score?
sir, 50.4.
Kitna?
50.4.
50.4. It is 35 plus 15.4 equal to 50.4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did the result change?
No, sir.
No, sir.
But you did not complain one thing. You should have complained to me, sir. This is again, what is the difference? Earlier, what was the score in the previous calculation? What was the score here?
Sir, 3,850.
Na. Previous, in the previous
Sir, 12,
calculation.
12, 12,000,
12,600.
12,600.
From
12,600.
12,000, we reduced it to 3,850, isn't it?
Three.
Yeah, 3,800. We have reduced
Sir.
it round of 4 times. We have reduced the score. 4 times. Okay. So that the calculation becomes more easier. Now, I will move one step ahead before finishing off today's session. Okay, I want to reduce this number much lower. Okay, I want to reduce this number to a much lower number. What I'm gonna do is that do you see a common factor here? A common number, a common factor? 10?
10, sir.
Okay, very good. So can I divide this x minus a divide by 10?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so every number 30 divided by 10, 20 divided by 10, 10 divided by 10, 10 divided by 10, 10 divided by 10, 30 divided by 10, 10. Okay, now what I get the score? What I get the new score? Please help me.
-3, -2, -1, 0,
Minus
1,
3, minus
-2,
2, minus 10, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4,
4.
isn't it? So D is x minus a upon divide by 10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Now, what we did is FD. Now, what is the new FD?
-3 into 15,
Minus 3 into 15, what is it? Please tell me.
45.
Hmm?
-45.
Minus 45.
Minus 45. Then
-40.
minus
-40.
385. Earlier, how much it was?
3850.
Yes, yes. Now we are able to reduce the number much. 10
Yes.
times reduced.
Yes, sir.
Now what we gonna do here? What is the common factor? What was the common factor with which we divided?
10.
10.
10. So I
10,
added
10.
one. I added one C here in the formula. Should I add it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is A here? What is A?
35.
35. And what is FD?
385.
385. And what is the N?
250.
And what is the C? Common factor?
10.
10.
10. What is the answer?
50.4.
Huh? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yeah?
sir.
Sorry.
वो 10
No.
मल्टीप्लाई वाला हटा दो.
Yeah.
हाँ,
ये वाला है. ठीक है?
15.4.
Yeah. So equal to 50.4.
50.4.
4.
Okay. This is called as the step deviation method. Step deviation method. Okay, for which students struggle during their school days to a very large extent. Step deviation method formula. So do practice, it's good. You will be able to do it up. So tomorrow we're gonna discuss on this. And tomorrow we also will work on the continuous series also. Okay. So with this, I end the today's session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. If you have anything to ask, please don't hesitate to